let this side face to you, and there are 4 wires, right? And we count from the right, this side, and the first one, the second one, the third one, the first one. Check, there are 4 wires inside of the handle, the pipe, and the color, you see the color? Red, white, black, and yellow. Okay, now we need to connect these 4 wires with these 4 wires together. And you see here, the point faced us, and the first wire, this one connect with the 红色，对不对？对，红色。Connect with the red one, and the second one of the wire will be connect with the white one, and the third, this wire connect with the yellow one, and the black wire of this is connect with the black one. 可以了。And then use the isolating tape and cover the joint part, and then wrap the metal part. Now it's joined together. 安装就可以了。And then these 2 wires are the button wires, and the blue one and the green one. You need to link these 2 wires with this small circuit board. 焊就可以了。Then soldering it. 焊就可以了。这就行了。Okay, now it's okay. 这就可以了。